The focus shouldn't be on like benefits or not, even not on the features, but on what this product does and what problem does it solve. So what I like to do is to take the content, like to the gist of it, like what the product actually does, why it's a good product, and I combine the B2C aesthetic to make people actually want to watch it. And often I speak to founders in early stage dev tool startups, and I tell them, listen, first launch in Hacker News, okay? See if you get some feedback. Try to do some outbound, okay? Really, like outbound should be the first step for every startup, because if you manage to do outbound even partially well, you will be able to do inbound, and it's so much less expensive to fail in outbound than it is to fail in inbound. Why? Because B2C channels will only work if you have audience in the hundred thousands. Like that's the case for developers, because there are so many of them. You can get B2C channels to work. But if you only have like 50,000 people who are your target audience, then most likely you need to work with LinkedIn ads. All right, so first of all, I'm not a big believer in the layers approach.
Hmm.
Okay? I usually have one remarketing campaign with 5 to 10% of the budget allocated,
Uh-huh.
and 95% of the budget is allocated to prospecting campaigns, and that's it.
Hmm.
Some people invest a lot in remarketing, and I think it's a mistake, because that's not where growth comes from. To grow your brand, you need to get eyeballs, fresh eyeballs, people who don't know you, on your product. There's no other way. It's more difficult than just capturing conversions from remarketing campaigns, but that's the only way to actually generate new revenue. This is how X company did this, and this. And then you still have the advantage of referring to a famous company that's using the product, which is really a trust builder, but you still manage to do it in an enticing way that captures the user's attention.